So guys, it's the weekend and I'm about to head out. So before going out, so I just wanted to drop this quick price update on BTC. So currently we are at 90,500, and yesterday we did not see much of a volatility. We did spike to the upside, but immediately we got rejected. So let's quickly get on to the price action. So right now, guys, this is BTC on the daily time frame, and as you can see, let me brighten my screen. Now this is BTC on the daily time frame. So as you can see that we did have a spike to the upside to as high as almost $93,000 actually, but the thing is we kind of closed bearish, creating this pin bar candlestick. And whenever we see such of a price action or a candlestick like this indicates kind of a reversal or a pullback. You understand? Because price went aside and closed bearish, creating the hammer or a pin bar candlestick. So that's why I think we could definitely head lower. And if we kind of close to this candlestick bearish, engulfing this previous 2 days candlestick, then I think we could head all the way down to $82,000. And why do I also say so? Given my confluence for the indicators, you can see the stochastic RSI is all the oversold overbought region. As you can see, it's above 80 up to 90, and we might also have a pullback on the regular RSI. If we have a pullback on the regular RSI and price pulls back to an equal low around $82,000, that means the RSI will create a lower high, which gives that bullish divergence pattern. You understand? So I'll be looking forward to go long, but the stochastic RSI is already on the overbought region, and it is likely that it will retrace to the downside before another continuation upward. So let's quickly head on lower to the 1 hour time frame, though we see what price is doing actually on the 1 hour time frame. So heading over to the 1 hour, and yes, now this is the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. So you can see that we head over to this resistance level. This was an important resistance level that price bounced off of. So you can see that just right at $93,000, and currently now we are seeing a rejection. And another thing that I also looked at was the consolidation we had yesterday. So I made mention of a consolidation and also a breakout. This was a consolidation we had yesterday, and so you can see that we had this range in between 91 and $90,000, and I said maybe possibly we could have a breakout above this level. We could see our price move towards the upside around $95,000, but price gave us a fake out. And one thing I know about this price action, this kind of price action pattern, is that it is also kind of a reversal price action pattern, because I call this pattern a bot Simpsons or a manipulation pattern, because there is always an impulsive move to the upside, a kind of consolidation and a manipulation before a distribution. You understand? This is what I call a reversal pattern. You know, price consolidates for a while in a range, then attempts to break towards the upside or the downside, then further go on to the opposite direction. So I see that if we have a kind of a break below this level, then we could see price head lower to this trend line. So what we want for price is to actually want price to bounce off of this trend line to another continuation towards the upside. But if we fail to hold this trend line, then we will be heading to the lower levels. So as you can see that we'll be holding this trend for a while now. We're having multiple touches 1 2 3 3 touch, and I think maybe the fourth touch we are going to have will likely break this trend, because one thing about this trend line, because the more you have touches on the trend line, the more the trend line gets weaker. The more you have price bounce on a support or a resistance level, the more that resistance level, that level gets weaker, and it's likely price might break below that level. So that's what I'm actually looking for. That's why I said we could actually see price head over towards the downside. So today is the weekend. This weekend we will not have much of a price volatility, but heading onto the new week, Monday market opening, then maybe we could see much of a price movement. Is either we go up or we go down, but I'm currently leaning my thesis towards the downside for maybe potential short position on the lower time frame. So if you want to join my free Telegram community, the link is in the description of this video, guys. So that is it. So that is it for this analysis. So I'm about heading out, guys. So just wanted to drop this update for you guys. So just make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for your boy. Now the light is out. So let me just quickly move out. Peace.